Hey there, let's make some dirty rice today.
For the spice mix I use 2 tablespoons of paprika, 1 tablespoon of onion powder, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of dry oregano, 1 tablespoon of dry thyme, 1 teaspoon of white pepper, 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, and 1 teaspoon of black pepper. This is my variation on Cajun seasoning. You can use it or you can make your own, or just buy ready mix. Whatever. Let's cut some veggies. Properly wash 1 cup of rice and drain the water. And leave them alone. Let the rice wait for its moment. A little bit of oil for my cast iron pan. And before breaking the meat, I give it a nice crust. So, when all the pink are gone, give them a good splash of Worcestershire sauce. Here come the veggies, and don't forget about minced garlic. I didn't take it on camera, unfortunately. Give them a good stir and cook it over medium heat until veggies are softened. After about 5 minutes I add my seasoning. 1 tablespoon. You can put as many as you want. Time for the rice. Mix until well combined and then add 2 cups of chicken stock or more. Just be sure that everything is good covered with liquid. I didn't have chicken stock, so I use water and my secret ingredient. It's not secret, it's bouillon cube. Check for salt, cover with lid and cook over low heat for about 20 minutes or until all liquid is gone. Ready to eat. Thanks for attention.